What's up, beautiful people? It is I, Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach, here with another walk and talk video on this beautiful day. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is that you are, whenever it is that you're watching this, whether you're watching this live. Of course, many of you like it, watch it on the replay. So thank you. Some of you guys are watching it from Facebook. Some of you are watching it from YouTube. So thank you. If you're not a subscriber to YouTube, please go to youtube.com/Christopher Rausch. Check me out. Also, if you can't find that, go to ChristopherRausch.com. You can go to the YouTube page, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll always be notified when I put new videos up. So here I am, day 70. 75 hard, baby. Day 70. It's a beautiful morning. And just wanted to come to you just a few minutes of inspiration because day 70 of 75 hard, I've got 5 more days. Me and my band of gypsies who have been doing this with me for the last 70 days, 69 days. We got 5 more days. 5 more days. As you can tell, I'm sick. I've been sick for a week, but I've still maintained all of my workouts, my diet, my reading, everything else. No excuses, even in pain, even traveling to Detroit, jumping on different planes, kept my diet fine, didn't eat much. But unstoppable, baby, unstoppable. And one of the things I want to talk about today is one of the excuses that I hear quite a bit is I don't feel, not that I don't feel like doing it, but I don't feel like dealing with it. It's kind of just a different way, but I just don't feel like working out, but I don't feel like dealing with the situation. That's a bigger situation. So what is it that you find yourself you don't want to deal with? I don't want to deal with my spouse. I don't want to deal with my coworker. I don't want to deal with my customer. I don't want to deal with myself. Who is it? Because the sooner you figure out what it is that you don't want to deal with, you got to go deal with it. It's not going to go away. It's going to stay there. And what happens if you don't deal with it is you repress it or you suppress it. But you need to express it because otherwise you're just pushing it down. And then you momentarily release a little pressure when you get pissed off. You momentarily release a little pressure maybe when you do a short-term gratification, but you never deal with it because you're ignoring it. Hoping, wishing, and praying that it will go away, that it'll fix itself. Especially if it's with you. Oh, maybe if I just keep doing this, I'll figure it out. You know how many people I have heard say I'll figure it out and then don't? 5 years later, I keep a note. How you doing? Oh, same shit, it's gotten worse. I guess you didn't figure it out. Do you suppose why people don't figure it out? Because they don't want to deal with it. Everything is figure outable. Everything. If you got a problem, go to Google. How to unplug my drain. How to unfuck myself. How to change my limiting beliefs, how to fix my finances when I'm dead broke. And the list goes on and on. But the reason you don't want to deal with it is because there's some deeper issues there, some deeper emotions. But I'm here to tell you as your No Excuses coach, you deal with those demons. They're not really demons, they're just little voices in your brain that you can tell to shut the fuck up and deal with the shit and get on with your life. But we sit there and we go, oh, but it's gonna be so hard, it's gonna be so uncomfortable, and it's gonna be, what if they do this and what if they do that? You already paint yourself out of a picture to be able to do it. How about this? How about close your eyes and visualize yourself having that conversation with a person. Say, hey, listen, I know this is years overdue, but I need to talk to you. I just need to tell you, and I apologize for that I'm just gonna come at you, but here's what it is. And then say it. Because once you say it, you can't take it back. It's like burning the bridge or burning the boats. Once you say it, once you do it, once you jump, as Steve Harvey eloquently says, once you jump, you have to learn how to fly. So whatever it is, take that first step. I love you guys. I'm Christopher Rausch, No Excuses coach. Keep this one short today, right? I'm a little bit of a pain, so I got to stretch. But I love you guys. If you want your complimentary coaching session, hit me up, Christopher Rausch. Of course, you can hit me up on the DMs here, but my email is going to say is Christopher@ChristopherRausch.com. Of course, you can always go to just ChristopherRausch.com. Check me out. But if you don't want to deal with it, it's always going to be there, lurking in the shadows, poking its nose out. And what's going to happen? Here's what's going to happen in case you've ever had this happen before. You're going to have to deal with it whether you want to or not. And it's usually going to be in a situation where it is not ideal. And there's a lot of reactions and a lot of emotions, and it probably won't end well. So how about this? How about proactively, not reactively, how about proactively dealing with your shit and getting on with life? I love you guys. Stay unstoppable. We'll see you next time here on the No Excuses Coach channel.